everyone. This is David Lewis with your weekly motivational tip. As we all know, fate does not determine your destiny, but faith does. I'm not talking about your religious beliefs, although they are certainly important. I'm talking about the system of beliefs that you hold in your mind. Though you may never have taken the time to assess your beliefs, I assure you everyone has their own belief system, whether they know it or not. It may have been constructed by strong ideas and concepts passed on to you from others, but if you act on them, they will eventually become your own beliefs and your belief system. Your beliefs are created by the thoughts, ideas, and actions you have been exposed to in this life. The things that you see, hear, and experience from the basic belief system that you operate from. This is true for every one of us. This process starts at a very young age, which is when you were the most susceptible to what you saw, heard, and experienced in your life. These are actually called the formative years because it is during this time that you begin to develop your own opinions and belief about life. Tragically, some people grow up in an environment hostile to positive thinking and beliefs. If that happens to have been your own experience, don't despair. Anything that is learned can eventually be unlearned by a determined commitment to change and growth. Your mind is like a computer or recording system, and the programs can be erased and replaced by better ones if you're willing to do what it takes to make that happen. Basically, you have to have faith in yourself and believe that you can see yourself having a better life than the one you have now or the one you've experienced in the past. Winners choose to believe, and their dreams are expectations that have just not come to pass yet. Most never experience their dreams coming true because they see them as fantasies and not as visions and ideas that can guide them toward what they want to achieve. For some, reality consists of what they can see and touch, and their lives are determined by the natural world around them. Hollywood visionary Walt Disney was a winner by anyone's definition. He once said, "All our dreams come true if we have the courage to pursue them." As an expert on dreams and success, I would say that he is someone worth listening to. There are a lot of voices that you can choose to hear. It's up to you which voices you listen to. Mr. Disney experienced many challenges and even failures along the road to success, but he overcame them by believing in his dream and his ability to make it become a reality. You see, winners pursue their dreams and make them come true. They do not wait for them to come true by themselves. Their attitude is not, "Let's just see what happens." Instead, they say, "Let's go make that happen." What may start out as only a distant vision or idea can become a genuine reality when it's formed in the mind of a winner. Winners do not just assume that it will come to pass. They pursue it with their whole heart and soul and put forth the effort required to make it happen. So, how do you view your dreams? Are they something that guide you on the path of life, or are they just phantoms that give you a momentary break from the mediocrity of your existence? How you answer that question is what will determine the ultimate value of the dreams you have for yourself and your life. Only you can make your dreams come true.